I have strayed beside the pleasant ban and by the Shannon stream. I have piped and played to wife and maid by Barrow, Sure and Nore, but never met a maiden yet like Bredeen Bonmastore. My girl hath ringlets rich and rare, by nature's fingers wove. Loch Cara's swan is not so fair as is my darling love, and when she moves in Sunday sheen beyond her cottage door, I would scorn the high-born Saxon queen for Bredeen Bonmastore. For it is not that her smile is sweet, or soft